morning, guys. Down here at the beach, on my way to get supplies. Really nice place out here in Panama City. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Alrighty, well, I'm back at the same spot here, not at the hardware store, because I don't want to be working out in their parking lot cutting wood. I'm just not comfortable with it. I'm in a great boondocking place here that is private and abandoned, and I just feel a lot more comfortable. I should explain one thing. When I went to Walmart, I made a purchase that wasn't on my list, the bottle jack, and that's because after talking with a buddy Jim down here in Florida, he did a similar repair like this, and he said what he did was he got a scrap piece of wood and basically used the bottle jack on a different spot to pump it up and then put the wood in there. And that sounds a lot smarter than my idea of wedging it up there and then pounding in the bottom until it pushes it up. So I'm going to try his bottle jack idea here. I'm also going to be doing a lot of the work outside because it's nice outside. Yes! Really excited about that. So I'll be doing all of my cutting, measuring, and working outside, and jacks will be inside, and that's fine. So I'll bring all my tools and everything out here so I can pretty much do it out here. I'm thinking Jax is going to be the biggest obstacle here, and I don't know what to do. He gets in the way and he meows his ass off constantly because I'm working and doing stuff without him. He gets very jealous. Yeah, well, I have to work. Can you go to your kitty bed? Can you go to your kitty bed, please? Yeah, can you just wait up there? Can you wait till my video's done uploading? The thing I need to do is take out all of these screws so that I have room to put the wood in there. Many of them are hooked to nothing anyway. They're all rotten and rusted. Now I need to remove all this tape so that this will be able to move. Alright, I think I found a good piece of 4x4 that I'm going to use to jack it up, but first I want to reinforce the floor with that OSB that I got. So I'm going to cut out a little 6" by 12" piece, and then I'm going to screw that into the subfloor right here, basically just for extra strength, because that's where all my new supports are going to go. Gonna drill some pilot holes into this. I have no idea what to expect here, but the idea is use this bottle jack and raise this up. Did I cut that right? Yes, I did. Okay. You know, maybe I want to put it over. It's probably too late now. Actually, I do want to move it over a little bit. So what I've done here is I've kind of put this piece up here with a couple screws just to hold it in place. I'm going to go behind it with a pencil and trace the old wood frame so that I can jigsaw out the right angles. going to work really well. New wall on. It's only an inch out farther than the other side, and I think it's going to be hidden really well and you won't be able to notice. This is harder putting back together, doing all the front stuff that was in there. Oh my god. I gotta pull all these staples out, don't I? No. Now see, look at that. Nobody's ever gonna know that this one sticks out an inch more than that one over there. There's just no way. Meow? Oh, okay. We got this piece that has to go right here. We got all the trim that goes down the corner and the other corner to match. Heck yeah, starting to come alive here. I was nervous there for a while. Piece, it's gonna go in the corner. I'm gonna go cut it right now. All right, I got about an hour of sunlight left, so I'm gonna call it quits for now. Put away all the tools and everything, and then tomorrow, well, we got a couple things. We got to clean this all back up and make it work. I got to re-rivet the outside, put in all those new screws, and then silicone, water seal all the edges. Actually, tomorrow is still a pretty big day. That riveting job is going to be a pain. I'm going to have to get somebody's help to help pull it up. So, all right, tune back in tomorrow for the conclusion of this project. You guys have a good night. Hey guys, Jax here, along with his human servant Eric. Thanks for watching our RV channel. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget to watch all of our other videos. We got some great material out there. Subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest updates here on the road. Can you say hi? Talk to you guys later.